Hello friends, welcome to my channel Techie Brain. In this video, I will show how to create a file upload question type. That means for the quiz question, the student can upload a file as an answer. Next, I will show how to view the file that the student uploaded, then where it is stored and how to retrieve the file. After that, I will show how to manually review and grade the uploaded files. Lastly, how to release the score manually to the students. So let's begin. Log in into your Google Drive and select Google Forms. An empty form will appear. My sample quiz name would be Summer Assignment. Before start designing, let's import the default questions that is needed in every question. Click on the Import Question button. Then select the student's detail form. Click Import. Select all the questions. Import questions. Now the summer assignment front page is ready. Add a new section by clicking Add Section button. This section will contain the actual assignment questions. Here I plan to make assignment questions for English, Computer and Science subject collectively. Add a new question by clicking Add Question button. First, for English, let's create an essay assignment. Make the question as much as shorter and give the explanation in the description part. I will share the reason later why to make the question shorter. Now select File Upload Type Question. It's about file ownership. Click Continue. Now we have to choose file type for the particular question. We have variety of options available. Documents, spreadsheets, PDFs, audio-video files, even images. As it is an essay type question, let's choose document type. Then choose the maximum file size that is to be uploaded. You can also limit the capacity of the assignment form. We can set up to 1 terabyte form capacity depending upon the number of students. I am choosing the default form size 1 GB. Enable the email address to release the score later. In the quiz tab, mark the quiz enable grade release after manual review. Save the settings. Now create a new question for computer subject. It is a poster design question. Give some description about the question. And now choose file upload question type. Choose the maximum file size. Now choose the file type. Since it is a poster, it's an image type. In answer key, set some points. Also make the field mandatory so that the student won't skip the question. That's it, computer is done. Now create another one question for science. I am creating a file upload question for PowerPoint files. Choose the maximum file size. Assign some points in the answer key. Also mark this question mandatory by clicking the required field. Since we are manually releasing the score, student mail ID is mandatory. Enter the student's detail. By clicking the next button, we are actually entering into the assignment questions. Student can view the scores per question. They can read the question along with its description. for English, Computer and Science. This add file option helps them to upload the files. You can upload from your PC or from your drive. I am inserting a file from my PC. This upload. Now for computer I am adding the image since it is a poster. Here. Add file. Select a PPT file. Now submit. Now let's see the response. Here is the summary of the response. The score was not given yet. We have to manually give them scores. Here is the uploaded files. We can view the file either by clicking the link or we can view the file using this view folder option. If you click on the view folder option, it will take us to the Google Drive. In the Google Drive, if you click on My Drive, a folder with your form name will appear there. So if you click on the form name, you have separate folder with each question. You have folder for your science, English and computer subject. If you click on the science, you'll get the PPT files. If you click on the English, you'll get the document. If you click on the computer, you'll get the images. Now let's see how to manually grade the questions. Click on the questions and select ungraded response. So for this particular student, we are going to give score. So select the particular question, view the answer, and you can give some marks for the student work. If you are reducing the score, you can mention what is the student lacking and save it so that the student can see your feedback. You can view the student work and you can give the score here. And give a full mark for this. This is the PPT file. So now the student got 27 out of 30. So we have given score. Now let's see how to send. You can choose the mail ID and you can release the score to the student. Now let's see how the student can view their score. It is the student inbox. So the assignment result was shown. So by clicking the link, they can see the feedback from the teacher. That's it. Hello friends, thanks for watching. Hope you like the video. Like, share, subscribe to my channel for more videos. Take care.